How to remove the green screen in your CapCut PC. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can remove your green screen in your CapCut videos. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your project in your CapCut, and here you have to drag and drop the green screen in your CapCut. And after that, as you can see that the green screen is added in the video. Now what you have to do is simply select that video of the green screen and you have to go on the cutout. As you can see that here is the option of the chroma key. You just have to turn on and enable this, and you have to select the color picker from the chroma key. So once you select the color picker, you just have to click on this green screen, and after that you have to increase the strength of the color picker. Now as you can see that you are increasing the strength of the chroma key, the green screen is removing from the background. So that's how you can remove the green screen from your CapCut videos. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.